This is my broken handheld shower head, and this is a brand new one that I'm going to install. Stick around and I'll show you how to replace your handheld shower head. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name's Andy. I like to fix stuff, build stuff, and remodel stuff on this channel. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. First step, remove the existing handheld shower head. As you can see, mine's all rusted out, so I need to use some channel locks in order to remove it. You can attempt to remove it by hand first. Second step, take a utility knife and remove old Teflon tape. Use a rag to wipe off any dirt or rust off the threads. As you can see, mine was old and rusty, so I decided to replace the shower arm as well. To see how to replace the shower arm, you can check out this video here in the cards or in the description below. Third step, unpack your shower head and make sure you have everything you need before you start. Fourth step, take some Teflon tape and wrap it around the threads of the shower arm about 3 revolutions clockwise. Then take this piece right here and make sure the gasket is seated inside of it, and then screw it on to the threads. You can use channel locks if necessary, but doing it by hand may be enough if the setup is brand new. Next, take the hose and one of the rubber gaskets and place it inside before screwing the hose to the attachment. Again, hand tighten should be enough for this. Then take the other end of the hose and place another rubber gasket and attach the handle to it. Next, hang the shower head and see how it looks. Lastly, turn on the water, check for any leaks, and that's it. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.